Hello, today I will guide you on how to install Google Chrome in Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Step 1, download Google Chrome. Open your web browser, go to the Google Chrome download page, click Download Google Chrome. Select the .dev package for Ubuntu or Debian-based systems. Click Accept and Install. Wait for the download to complete. Move to the Downloads folder. If you downloaded the file, it is usually in the Downloads folder. Use the command Open Terminal. Move to the Downloads folder. Step 2, install Google Chrome. Install Google Chrome with the following command. dpkg - is used to install DEB packages manually. Enter your password when prompted. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 3, open Google Chrome. Search for Google Chrome in the application menu. Click on the Google Chrome icon to launch the browser. Now you have successfully installed Google Chrome on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS.